Okay, so today the recording also was a bit late. I was little busy, but you can see the way the movement of Bank Nifty was in the starting itself. It was trying to give a very clear indication as to what we can expect for the day. So nothing worked, friends, today. Really, even technical analysis never worked, or even the open interest did not work. Nothing was working. So initially, at around 11 o'clock itself, we can see my positions were in this kind of thing, and I was in a loss of around 41,000. I tried doing the adjustments, but nothing worked today. As I told you, technicals also was not um, working for today. So the positions almost you can say I am neutral, but still I have indication that the market is going up. So that is why you can see I am slightly bullish. But the thing is the VIX. So you can see although the market is continuously moving sideways, and also we had gap up opening also, the VIX is not reducing, it is almost sustaining. You can see already it is, you can see here 2.23% it is already, and there was no signs of reducing as well. Okay, so then although market is moving sideways, there is no much premium decay happening as well. Okay, so time presently at 12:30, and still our positions are in the same value. If at all it was any other day, and if market is moving like this sideways, by now we should have been in very good profits. But you can see still the market is just moving sideways, nothing at all for theta decay. And now finally at 2:30, you can see this kind of spikes happening at 2 o'clock, because although market was silent, after that suddenly it started rising, and then suddenly it started coming down. You can see the sudden spike killed me. I was almost at zero level, but then the spike killed me and I came to loss again. And now presently you can see my loss has gone more than 1 lakh. So the unexpected spike which came, it's happening from past 2 days if at all you observe. Okay, so then I closed my positions at 3 o'clock. So you can see it was a very horrible day. There was you call it as V movement or W movement, or seesaw movement. I don't know what kind of movement you can call this. You can see the graph how it is moving. It's just moving up and down, up and down. Okay, and all with kind of spikes as well. So you can see I close my positions around 1 lakh loss for today. So from 2 days we are having back to back loss, which is part of trading. And these kind of days are the days, friends, we just have to make sure our losses are under control, and then when the market gives, we will accept with both our hands. So for today, as of now, this is what we have, and hope you like today's video. Any doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.